Mac was just standing there, his hands on my shoulders. He looked stunned for some reason. Haven't you ever been tempted? He finally asked. Tempted to what? Your Pythia. You could go back, change what happened. He moved so he could see my eyes. You could save your family, Cassie. I sighed. Sure I could. You don't know, Tony. Besides, I thought the idea was for me to help guard the timeline, not to interfere with it myself. I could end up changing something vital, possibly making things even worse. Make that, probably, with my luck. His gaze sharpened. But technically you could do it. Yeah, I could keep my parents from getting killed in that car Tony rigged to explode, but if I did, my life wouldn't have been completely different, along with who along with who knows how many other people's. And knowing Tony, he'd have managed to kill them some other way. I smiled grimly. He's persistent like that. Mac regarded me searchingly, to the point making me uncomfortable. Most people would view the opportunity as a great advance for themselves. It could bring you, well, almost anything you wanted: wealth, influence. I gave them exasperated eyes. The only thing I want is a nice, uncomplicated life, with no one trying to kill me, manipulate me, or betray me, and where, if I messed up on the job, I didn't get anyone killed. Somehow, I don't think the Pythia gig is going to help me with that. I was tired of Inquisition and wanted to get dressed. Are you done? All right. Mac replaced his instruments in a small case and looked politely away so I could get dressed. Do you want the good news or the bad news first? The good. Why not try something different for a change? I think I can fix that. I blinked at him in surprise. I'd been expecting to hear that there was nothing he could do and that I'd have to go in a ferry with no protection. Really? That's great. Do you know anything about how your ward works? I just shook my head. Not a lot. My mother somehow transferred it to me, but I don't even remember it. I was only 4 when she died. For years, I thought it was just a regular ward that Tony had put on me as an added safeguard. Mac looked almost offended. Regular ward? No, I guarantee you, you'll never see another of the like. It's 100 years old and priceless. One of the Circle's real treasures. It's not a tattoo, Mac. Oh, not a work of art. In fact, it's both. He stretched out his right arm and pointed to a small brown-orange hawk near the bend in his elbow. Watch. He muttered something, then took hold of the loose skin in the crease of his arm and pulled. It's the reason I stay young, even though it fell away.